What is up, guys? I'm Francis and I'm here with Rosa.
Hi, everybody.
She is doing her first driving lesson with me, but not her first driving lesson overall, right?
No, this will be the fourth.
So you've done some more driving?
Yes, but not like proper.
Okay. And you've driven a lot back home as well, right? Where are you from?
Yes, but automatic only.
Is it hard to drive in England? Harder than from where you're from, back home?
Yeah, it's harder.
Harder. In what way is it harder?
There's more rules.
More rules?
More rules,
So
the lights and
what
stuff.
is it like driving in Venezuela?
Driving, you drive, that's it.
You just drive?
You just drive and then
in the car.
make sure you don't kill anyone.
You get in the car and just don't kill people?
Don't kill people, that's it.
the bare minimum.
And then red means stop.
Yeah.
The amber means go faster. And the green means go.
To be fair, I think that's kind of what it's like in London too. I tell you what we're going to do. Because you've done loads of driving before, and because you've had some driving lessons already, you're not in London.
No.
It can be a little bit busy in London, so we're going to start off on a nice quiet side street.
Okay.
To help you get familiar with the car.
Okay.
And how the gears work, and we'll ease you in nice and slow, right?
Okay.
We're not going to do anything challenging at the beginning.
Okay, that's
Cool?
fine.
I'm going to put my seatbelt on.
Yeah, okay.
Not because I don't trust your driving.
Okay.
So, because it's a Ford, we have to put the clutch down to start the engine. Try that out.
Okay.
How would you normally set off? Talk me through the different steps.
Go put this down.
Before that?
Put the clutch, no?
Yes, clutch down, and
Clutch down.
let's have a look at these gears. What gear do you need to set off
First.
Got it, okay.
You want me to try now?
Yeah, first gear first.
Okay. Here.
And then, have you got any routines or methods of how to set off? Did your instructor tell you that?
No.
Okay, so the one I like to use is POSH. Imagine POSH, P-O-S-H, it's an acronym. So if you
Okay.
just follow all 4 steps,
Okay.
you'll be able to set off safely.
Okay.
The first one is prepare.
Prepare. Oh my God, there's like...
It's cool, they're at a bus stop. Prepare the car to go, clutch down, first gear.
Yeah.
Now the car's ready to move.
To move.
Next you're going to do O for observe. So
Observe,
check
yeah.
around and make sure it's safe.
Yeah.
Not forgetting the blind spot over your right shoulder. That's it.
Okay.
Then
Cool.
put a signal on and handbrake off.
Okay.
Because it's been a couple of seconds, let's just check again. Check the blind spot again, and then we can move.
Okay.
Happy with that?
Yeah.
We'll try that a couple more times if you want.
You see?
That's cool, that's cool.
That's just my problem.
Keep the clutch down, switch off.
Switch off, right?
Switch back on again. Okay, cool. Now we've got the engine back on again. So when you're lifting the clutch up, imagine the clutch is here, down on the floor. Here is going to take you up to 5 miles an hour, and right in the middle is the biting point. Have you heard of the biting point?
No.
Okay, so the biting point is where the car will start to move, where the clutch is just helping the engine to move. Okay.
Here, right?
So a little bit more there, and come up a little bit slower. That's it. Good. And now gas on. Got it? So you said you had a problem stalling the other car that you were driving with your instructor,
Yes.
right? Yeah. I'm going to help you with that, don't worry. So we've got a little bit of a problem up ahead. There's a bus, and we've got, keep going. So you see that space on the left? Or the space on the right? Keep going down the road. That's it. Keep going. We're going to help that Kia, the white car, to stop on the right for us. That's it. There we go. A little bit more gas. Let's give him a thanks. Cheers, mate. Thank you. We're going to stop on the left just after this junction.
Okay,
Keep going.
cool.
After the junction. So
After
again, check the left mirror. Make sure there's no cyclist there. Signal left and moving across. Nice and slowly. Slow the car down now. Steer to the right and clutch down and stop. Cool. Handbrake and neutral.
This is very stressing.
I could feel you were stressed. I could feel it. The stress was coming all around the car. It's cool. There we go. Neutral. What was it that was feeling stressful?
It's the other car.
So many cars around. Okay, cool.
It's just making sure. For me, is the clutch and the accelerator.
Doing it at the same time. So let's do a little exercise to help you with that.
Okay,
because
please.
I want you to be able to set off without stalling. You want that too, probably more than I do.
Yeah.
So let's switch the engine back on again, put the clutch down, switch the car on. What we're going to do first is use the gas, the accelerator pedal. See this is your engine speed. It's on just underneath 1 at the moment. Rise the needle up to about 1.5 or 2. It's fine, just leave that. All we're doing is the gas pedal.
Okay, here.
And jump that needle up to about 2 or just under and hold it there.
How do I do that?
With the gas pedal, just press it,
okay.
and then the needle, you can hear the engine noise rise and the engine speed increases.
Yeah.
Great, really good. A little bit more. Let's hear the engine hum. That's it, and then hold it there. Try and hold it still. How's that?
Yeah.
Good?
Yeah.
So that much gas is how much gas you need to pull away. So first, you go, did you remember how the noise sounded? So
Yes.
we don't need to look, we can hear it. When you hear that noise, then you've got the right amount of gas. Follow me again.
Okay.
So firstly, with your
Okay.
right foot,
Can I do that?
good,
Okay.
yeah,
okay.
do it, great.
Yeah.
And then hold your right foot still, don't move it. Then your left foot comes up, bring it up. And once you feel the car start to move, hold your left foot still. And then the car's gonna start moving, and then you release the clutch.
I
slowly.
thought you had to do the clutch first and then the accelerate.
Okay, more chance of, you can, but more chance of stalling. Plus then you're gonna set off slowly, really slowly every single time.
Okay, so okay, can we try that? But how do you do that when you have so much stress and so much going on?
With more experience, you'll feel the stress less. And the more times you do it, the more times you'll be doing this naturally. That's it, nice and, yes. With the gas as well, you did it.
Yeah, well, okay.
Excellent. Let's try again. Stop after this nice
Okay.
Porsche on the left. Check your mirrors and signal. Don't stop too close to the black car in front. Back to the left, back to the left. Are you sure that you don't know how to drive? Cool,
Yes,
great.
I'm sure. I don't.
Okay, stop there.
Okay.
So let's do the
Okay.
procedure again. Posh. If you run through this checklist, you'll never
Okay.
go wrong.
Okay.
Prepare the car to go. Clutch down. First
Yes.
gear. Great.
It's good.
Then find the gas. Lift it. Let's hear the noise.
Okay.
Just
go.
let me
I'm
talk
getting
you through it.
stressed.
Okay.
Okay.
Do you want to stop for a second?
No.
Okay,
Go.
good.
Okay, I'm listening. Okay.
Gas on. Lift the needle up to about 2.
Okay. I think this way is
A
easier.
little bit more.
This is
A
easier.
little bit more. A little bit more. A little bit more. More.
More.
Yeah. Good.
Okay, I forgot to put the.
Great. Nice. That works every single time. Let's turn left. Forgot to put the signal and everything else. Don't worry about it. I'll help you there.
Sorry.
Oh, let's stop on the right. Really big space there. Mirror and signal. I'm checking for you, don't worry. And stop there. Okay, handbrake and neutral.
Okay, this is
Okay, deep breath.
stressing.
Rosa.
Okay. Yeah. It's just the feet.
Okay, cool.
But this technique, I like him more.
Yeah?
He didn't.
Do the gas first. This car's a diesel, so it's really hard to stall it anyway. But if you get into a petrol car and you just set off with the clutch, you're gonna stall. 100%. You have to set off with the gas. Yeah.
Okay, let's do it again.
Let's do
Try
it.
it.
Again.
Okay, good.
Should I talk you through it this time or are you good?
No.
All right.
Yeah, let's.
Leave it to the expert.
Yeah. Why did it start itself?
The car's got this thing called start-stop. So when you're not using it, it turns off to save fuel. And then when you put the clutch down, it just wakes up again.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Because we're environmentally friendly, even though it's a diesel, it's fine.
Okay. I don't know. Okay.
Cool. This time, don't forget to check and signal before you move.
Yeah.
Great.
Don't worry. I think.
Blind spot check over your left shoulder.
Yeah.
And this side. Just checking if there's any cyclists or anything.
Okay. Cool.
Good. Gas on. Let's hear it hum. Yeah. A little bit more. Yes. Good noise. Brilliant. That was so smooth.
Yeah.
That was so
good.
smooth.
That was good.
Excellent. And into second gear, off gas, clutch down. Second, clutch up, and then back on the gas. Yes. Do you want to try that again? Stop on the left, just where that lady's walking. After the
other
junction,
one.
yeah. And start to slow down. Not too close to the red car, so we've got enough room to pull away. Boom, stop. All right. Again, don't forget your mirrors and signal, and hear the car hum. Let's hear it.
Okay, someone's coming.
All right, yes, more, give it more.
I'm in first, right?
Yeah. Just check those mirrors again. That was super smooth.
Yeah, thank you.
So smooth. Have we cracked that now? Are you happy with that?
Yes.
Excellent. You've got to signal when you pulled away, but that's okay. I was all over it. That's what I'm here for. to help
Okay,
you out.
cool.
I've got you back. Just slow down around this bend and turn left. Turn left.
Left that way. Sorry.
Clutch down, brake.
Okay, I
Back
need to
first
do
gear.
that.
Stop. Back to first gear. Don't rush. So get your gas on. Let's hear the engine hum. Ooh, yes.
How do I do so it doesn't go?
Gas on, clutch up.
Gas on.
That's it. And clutch up. And clutch
Sorry.
up. Both at the same time. It's alright. Rushed a little bit. This time, slow it down. It's no stress. I'm here.
But I'm going down. I'm going back. This is where I'm so nervous. Can you help me?
Yeah, I can help you.
Okay, go.
So, let's move around this car.
Okay, sorry.
Gas on. Press the pedal. Press the gas.
Okay. Sorry.
Nearly.
Sorry.
Press the gas first. Gas on. That's it. And then the clutch comes up. Did you feel my feet?
Yeah. Fuck, that was so stressing.
Okay,
Sorry.
so you really don't like other cars around you?
No.
Let's turn right, just here.
Right.
Mirror, signal. What we're going to do is go to a hill, and then we'll practice the hill start technique.
Fuck.
It's alright, I got
Sorry.
you.
Thank you.
I'm going to help you set off just nice and gently here. Alright, cool. See that Mini? Just stop before the Mini on the right.
Okay.
That's it, slow down. And clutch down and brake.
This is difficult.
Handbrake and neutral. Did you find it this difficult when you were driving before? Was it this stressful, or is it because it's London? Was it a really quiet area that you were driving in before? No, busy.
I think it's just me.
It's just you?
Yeah, I think it's just me.
Cool. So we're on a hill. Let me help you first, okay? Watch this. Watch my feet.
Okay.
So I've got my clutch over here and my brake over here.
Mm-hmm.
If I take the handbrake off, what's going to happen? We're going to roll backwards, right? Just straighten up the wheel for me there, please.
This
That's
way.
it, just to
yeah.
the left. There, perfect.
Here.
So if I release the brake, we're going to roll backwards. There's only one way to stop the car from rolling backwards when you release the brake, and that's with the clutch.
That's what was happening
That's
there.
what was happening there, yes.
That's why
just on the last junction.
I couldn't do it because I didn't know the car behind.
Yeah, so this technique is what we use for a hill start. So you lift your clutch up to the biting point in first gear, obviously.
Okay.
Can you feel the car's now pulling forward? The thing stopping it from moving is my brake. So I've got my clutch up halfway.
And then you have the...
And the car, you can feel it, it's trying to pull forwards, but I've got my foot on the brake. If I let go of the brake now, we move forward instead of backwards. Does that make sense?
Yes.
Okay, I want you to try. So put your foot on the brake.
Okay, my foot on the brake.
And put your foot on the clutch.
Yeah, here.
Great. Now, I'm putting you back into first gear. Keep your clutch down, all the way down.
All the way down.
And you're in first gear now. So, keep your foot on the brake. Without the clutch, we're rolling backwards. Lift your clutch up until you feel the car hum.
Here.
Stop. Lift your foot off the brake and put it back on again. There you go, clutch down.
Okay.
Because the engine's giving the wheels a little bit, about 10% of the power.
Okay.
Does that make sense? So that's how you're going to set off on the hill start.
Oh, no.
So let's practice again.
Clutch down. Okay, what do I do now?
Find the
thing again. Here.
Too much. Cool. Down. Find it again. Try it.
Here.
Yep.
Okay.
Brilliant. Excellent. So now imagine that there's clutch down. Imagine that there's a car behind you now putting you under pressure. Yeah? So there's a car behind putting you under pressure and you need to set off. Don't feel rushed. Has anybody hooted you yet today?
No.
How much have we held everyone up by? See the white car that was behind us before?
Yeah.
How much did we hold them up?
Not a lot.
5 seconds? 10 seconds?
Yeah.
Do you think they remember that now?
No.
I bet you remember it though, right?
Yes.
Yeah, because it was stressful. So think about this. We're learning, we're advertising, clutch down. We're advertising to people that we're learning as well. So hopefully people are going to be patient.
Yeah,
with
this
you,
is... Yeah.
right? And I don't mind.
Yeah, okay.
As long as you don't mind as well, then we're good. Okay, so
Okay.
the next time that we hold someone up, I'm just going to say, don't worry, take your time, go slower, all right? So now I'm going to put you under pressure though. I'm going to give you a countdown. And I want you to set off when I say go. Get ready.
Okay.
Get ready. Too much. Try again. Get ready. Get ready. Get ready. Get ready. Good. Stop. 3, 2, 1. Perfect.
Okay.
Perfect. Now, clutch down. It's only me putting you under pressure.
Okay.
Even if there's a car, it's only a car putting you under pressure. There's no stress. There's no hassle.
Can we go back?
All right.
Okay, so I can do it again. Okay.
Brilliant. Okay. I'm not going to say anything now. Go up to the green mini and stop.
I think I forgot. I don't know. Okay.
Excellent. Wow. See? You're learning so much today.
Yes, I am, definitely.
Great.
More than...
And when you stop, what do you need to do next? To make the car secure. Have you heard of secure the car?
To put this
Yep.
on?
One more thing. There's one. And then, yes,
this one in neutral.
And then you can relax your feet and chill. Can we do that for real now?
Yes.
Maybe not main roads. Should we go around the same roads that we just been around?
No, okay. Let's do more.
More main roads?
Yeah, because then how I'm going to learn?
Okay, cool. Let's go. This road's really difficult. What I'm going to do is get you to do hill starts, but we're going to go round first.
Okay.
We're going to do it on a different road. Let the car roll back a little bit.
Okay.
Make sure you've got your handbrake on. If you're going to go backwards, even if you're rolling, you need to be in reverse gear.
How do I go? This is...
Just pull up and press down.
Okay.
So, stop. Because we want to pass the driving test and be safe, you need to let everybody know that you're going backwards. You do that by going into reverse. Do you know what happens when you go into reverse?
No.
White lights go on the back of your car.
Then you get there.
And then you get the parking sensors. If you do a full check around the car like this, checking all around, and the other side, check both sides, check the other side.
Oh, okay.
That's it. And then we can see everything. You can see those kids now. If you look on the left side, you can't see them. Yeah?
Sure.
Cool. Just go back a little bit more. What language was that?
French.
Oh, French.
She said we're going to cross.
Can you speak French as well?
Yeah.
Oh my God.
On va traverser.
What was
Kind
that?
of, like, kind of. Yeah.
I can speak a little bit of French.
Yeah, she
Chateauneuf
said-
de Pape.